Here we have an equation, 5x plus 2y equals 10, and we're being asked to graph it. And there are two options we have, right? You could always do a t-chart. Not very efficient, but it will work. So we're going to just pick the values for x, plug them in, get the values for y, plot those points, have your line. It'll work, but it's not real efficient. Another option is you could solve this equation and then go from there. But I'm going to show a third method in this video. It's called the intercept method. This is a method useful to use. It's not mandatory, but it's useful when you have it in standard form. And this is standard form because x and y are on the same side, is a way to think about it. Notice in slope-intercept form, it's y equals. Standard form, they're together. Now in the intercept method, the first thing I'm going to do is draw a t-chart. Kind of like a t-chart. We're only going to have 2 points. One of them, the x value will be 0, and the other one, the y value, will be 0. And the reason this is called the intercept method is because we're finding the 2 points that are on the y-axis and the x-axis for this line, finding the x and y intercepts. Now notice, when I substitute 0 into my equation, I get 5 times 0 plus 2y equals 10. 5 times 0 is 0, so I'm left with 2y equals 10, means that y must equal 5. So I know one of my points is 0, 5. That must be the y-intercept because it's on the y-axis. I'm going to do the same thing for my second point, only this time put 0 in for y. So 5x, 2 times 0 equals 10. 2 times 0 is 0, so I'm left with 5x equals 10, so x equals 2. This is my x-intercept because this is on the x-axis. I just have these two really important points, so I don't need any more. If I could draw perfectly straight, it would be a perfectly straight line. This is an adequate line because, again, I'm really sloppy at drawing these things. So this is the intercept method as an option when it's in standard form.